Kuona ndũrĩrĩ-inĩ cia ũrĩithia wa gũthamathama nĩkuo mĩtugo ĩtarĩ mĩtĩkĩrie nĩ watho ya kũruithia airĩtu ĩkoragwo ĩkĩrĩrĩirie na ĩrĩa ĩhatagĩrĩria ihoto cia airĩtu. Rĩu airĩtu kuma icigo ici nĩmorĩtio mahĩmbĩrie ũhũthĩri wa nenda na mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu, kũhũra riboti na kũmba ikundi na aruna ao cia gũikaraga makĩaranagĩria nĩguo gũkũmithia ciĩko ici.
Remember, no one was bold enough to talk about our issues. Matters like FGM, they used to happen behind closed doors. No one really gets to know the effect that it is, the impact it has on us, the girls. Matters like early marriages, they were things which were concealed by the community. So that was a major challenge to us before. But now things have changed. Now girls, we are breaking the barriers. Now we are breaking the boundaries and the stereotypes that are in our community. We are able to talk about our issues freely without discrimination, without being judged.
Afitha wa Red Cross Mariam Godana augĩte nenda cia kĩrĩu ikoretwo irĩ na umithio kũhe airĩtu mwĩhoko, oho kũmahe mũgambo, kwĩyaria na kwĩitũrũra.
You know, we have a lot of social media like WhatsApp, Facebook. You can get a lot of messages, quite a lot to learn from internet. So we are empowering girls also to look at internet, you know, basically make them, you know, a digital generation. Like, for example, I can talk about a WhatsApp group where girls and, you know, the mentors, the people who have already made it in the society, a youth that are, you know, ambassadors for this society are brought together. And, you know, in this platform, girls empower each other and they can get a lot of skills.
Digital generation, our generation, every girl's dream has offered us an opportunity to be able to learn from various visitors who have come. I'm really glad that nowadays women, we are stepping up and girls, we are stepping up to talk about our issues and the various challenges that we are facing in our respective fields, be it in the economic area, academic area, our social issues, matters like early childhood marriages. So I'm really glad that we are stepping up, we are being bold, we are attacking our issues and providing.
Oho maugĩte airĩtu aya marĩ na mweke mũnene wa gũtaha ũgĩ kuma mĩtambo-inĩ ya kĩrĩu, kũhota gwĩkũria na kũgacĩrithia mĩtũrĩre yao.
The culture is changing because the girls are now informed. They are informed about their rights, they are informed about the choices, they are also informed that they themselves are the ones to make their own decision about their health, about their education, about whom they want to be in the society. That is why you see that more women are coming up, more women are now demanding a seat at the table because they understand and they know that these are the positions that they need to occupy as women.
It's later the stories, and these stories can inspire other girls. They can get skills. For example, like skills like, you know, when another girl has started something, you know, to support herself, others can learn from such a story, a documentary.
Wasichana ambao pia wanakosa karo za shule, tumeomba county government na washirika mbalimbali waweze kutenga rasilimali maalum kushughulikia wasichana ambao wanatoka nyumba ambazo hazijiwezi ili waweze kuendeleza masomo yao.
Nĩmorĩtie thirikari cia kaunti na thirikari nene itigĩrĩre ũtambia wa thitima nĩ wakinyanĩra, kuona nĩguo mũhĩnga mũnene harĩ gũkinyĩra motungata ma nenda cia kĩrĩu. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Ngetũ Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.